Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. Today's going to be a special video because I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first look of the Final Fantasy VII Remake for the PS4. Stay tuned. I usually don't do unboxing videos, but I'm a huge fan of this game. Final Fantasy VII Remake Deluxe Edition for the PS4. Final Fantasy VII is one of the biggest games when it's originally released on the PS1 in 1997. When Square Enix announced they're working on a remake, and it finally gets released over 10 years later, every single Final Fantasy VII fan was probably excited and can't hold in their excitement. I actually bought the first edition version of the game, which contains the deluxe edition and the actual action figure. The deluxe edition contains the game itself with a steelbook case, mini soundtrack CD, extra summoning material, and the art book, and also a lanyard. I'm not going to be opening up the actual first class figure in this video because I'm actually going to be keeping it as a collector's item. Now, one thing that comes with the actual first class edition of the game, if you order it from Square Enix's website, is you get a limited edition lanyard for the Final Fantasy VII Remake game. As you guys can see, it is pretty beautiful. On the front, you basically have pictures of Barret with Tifa, and you also see Cloud and Aerith as well. It's really nice quality material, high quality material, and of course it has a clip on the end where you can wear it around your neck, wear it around your waist, and you can also hang your ID, your keys, etc., etc. While I'm actually filming this video, I actually did put on gloves because it started to get chilly outside. If you guys are wondering why I put on actual gloves. Now, I'm not going to actually open up the box for you in this video, but this is the actual size of the first class limited edition Cloud, Strife, and Harley Daytona action figure. The box itself is actually quite huge. Comparing to the actual deluxe box, that is the size comparison. Now, while I was actually opening up the box for the first time, I was extremely excited, guys. For any of you guys who were actually Final Fantasy VII fans, we've been waiting for this game for over 10 years, and the day has finally come, and UPS actually even delayed my shipment, but I finally got it. You know, I digress. The box itself is beautiful. It has a little shiny logo at the front, and when you open it up, you get to see all the goodies that it actually comes with. Inside the actual box, you get the game itself, which is the original plastic PS4 casing. You also get a mini soundtrack CD. You get the deluxe edition art books, which I will go over later, and you get the fantastic Sephiroth steelbook game case. Now, the first thing I'm going to go over is the actual mini soundtrack CD. It comes in an actual cardboard little case. I'm surprised why they didn't put it in like a fancier case, because this game is a little bit more on the expensive side, especially if you buy the first class edition. So basically on the front you have the logo, and on the back you have a list of all the actual audio files and songs on the actual CD. The front you have a picture of Cloud himself. Looking good there, Cloud. It's a regular CD, guys. So what also comes with the actual deluxe edition of the actual game, or should I say first class in this case, is you get this wonderful hardcover book of the Final Fantasy VII game. Basically, it comes with a lot of pictures and names of all the characters in the actual game, plus all the summons, all the enemies, all the environments, and gadgets and tech related to Final Fantasy VII. On the first page, you have kind of a foreword and kind of explaining Final Fantasy VII, how basically they've been working on this game for a long time. I'm just going to kind of go over it here and flip to the actual book and show you the actual great high quality images that come with the actual pictures. You get Tifa, Aerith, Cloud himself, Barret, and every character you also get them in their different clothings. You also get all the other characters as well, like Wedge, Biggs, Jess, etc. You also get every other character you probably, it's not every single character in the book, but you do get to see quite a lot. Sephiroth himself, and you also get to see Rufus, Shinra, Scarlet, Sung, I think that's how it's pronounced. If you guys know how to pronounce the actual name for Sung, let me know. And you also get a list of all the other characters and pictures, plus all the actual summons. Now, this book is quite long, so I'm not going to spend the entire video going through it one by one. If you guys do want me to make an actual separate video, let me know down below, but I'm just going to go ahead here and skim through the rest. So you do see a list of all the summons, all the environments, all the areas, all the actual tools and gadgets in the actual game, plus all the weapons as well. Then this is a beautiful book, guys. I did go through it, and it is quite nicely done, and the artwork is really good. If you're a fan, you will love this book. Now, what you also get in the actual first class edition is the steel bookcase. This actual case itself is empty, but it basically comes in with the actual first class or the deluxe edition. It's a steel case with a nice logo at the front. I love that logo. They did a really good job. And once you open it, it's basically empty, but it has some nice artwork here. See the famous Cloud looking up and staring at one of the reactors in Midgar. I'm probably going to actually use this case instead of the plastic case that it comes with. Now let's get to the game itself. This is Final Fantasy VII Remake. On the back you have the exact same information that you had on the actual box itself. So let's go ahead here and quickly unwrap all the plastic. I only get to do this once in my life. Once you open it up, you actually get 2 discs. That's right, guys. This game is about 100 gigs and it's so large that you have an actual data disk to install the actual game. Plus we have the play disc, and on average on most PS4s it takes about an hour to install to get ready. You also get the extra character summoning material. You get some more information about the actual game and action figures. You get 25 reward points from Square Enix if you bought them from SquareEnix.com. So guys, that's basically what you get in the entire first class / deluxe edition, because if you buy the game itself you only get the plastic game. If you buy the deluxe, you get the added additional of the steel bookcase, the art book itself, and the mini soundtrack CD. If you buy the first class edition, which I have, you get everything in the deluxe edition, plus the limited edition lanyard and the limited edition Cloud action figure. I really can't wait to play this actual game. Thank you for watching my unboxing of Final Fantasy VII Remake. If you guys are a fan as well, let me know down below, and I hope you enjoyed this special video from me. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I hope you guys are all staying safe, practicing social distancing, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.